This is the pasture irrigation project. There's the trestle right there. We've finished, laid all the lines. We just need to finish the pump and get it working. Back there is module 1. This is module 2. So we're going to start network cleaning and get the system up and running. Okay, this module here is 35 hectares, all lined up just right. Let's get it running. Then there will be part 2, showing how it works here. I'm going to show the outlet of the trestle. This trestle here at the beginning, as the pressure is greater, is galvanized.